Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to see how to create mobile app login screen in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. Fine, let's get started. First, download the file. Go to the folder, there you will see a file called login screen. Open the file in Photoshop. This BSD file is design ready right from layers panel, guides, everything is ready for designing. You can straight away start designing. So first we are going to create a solid background. Go to background folder, select layer 1, then go to color picker, select any color you want, fill the color. I use the keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Now right click, blending option, go to gradient overlay. So we are going to select on the left hand, the third one. On the left hand we are going to select some kind of dark pink. Okay. On the right hand we are going to select some kind of purple color. Okay, I'll go with purple. Click OK, and our background is ready. Next we are going to bring in our mobile app logo. For that, go to the folder you downloaded. There will be a file called logo. It's a PNG file. Open the file in Photoshop. Drag and drop the file inside our canvas. And we are going to name this file as, layer as logo. By enabling free transform, Ctrl T shortcut, I'm going to resize the image. So using guides as a reference, I'm going to place it at the center. Fine. Next we are going to create our mobile app name. For that, go to the text folder, select layer 1, go to color picker, select white color, enable text tool, and write your mobile app name. Here I'm going to create some random name. I'll increase the size a little bit. Okay, next we are going to create username password dialog box. For that, go to the design folder, select layer 1, go to color picker, select white color, then enable shapes tool, select round rectangle tool, keep the radius as 20 pixels and create a rectangle. Okay, so our username dialog box is ready. I'm going to name this layer as username. Next we are going to create another copy. I'm using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J to create a copy. I'm going to name this layer as a icon and double click the thumbnail and select the color you want. I'm going with yellow color here. Now I'm going to resize the shape. For that, I'm going to enable the free transform tool. By holding shift key, resize the shape. Okay, so we are going in this shape. We are going to place our icon. So now we need to create a password dialog box. For that, select the icon and username layer and create a folder. We're going to name the folder as username. Now create a duplicate copy of that folder. I use a keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. I'm going to name this folder as, I'm going to name this layer as password. By holding Shift key, I'm going to drag and bring that shape down below. Adjust the size a little bit. So our password dialog box is ready. Next, we are going to bring in our username password icons. For that, go to the folder you downloaded. Open the icon 1 image in Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'm going to name this as username icon. I'll move the layer to username folder. By enabling free transform tool, I'm going to resize the image. Okay, so our username icon is ready. Now I'm going to reduce the username icon layer opacity to 70%. Now we are going to repeat the very same step to create icon for our password dialog box. Now go to the folder you downloaded, open icon 2 inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'll name this layer as password icon. Drag and drop the layer inside password folder. Now we are going to resize the image by enabling free transform tool, Ctrl T shortcut. Now we are going to reduce opacity to 70%. So our username password dialog box with icon is ready. Next, we are going to create our text. For that, go to the text folder, go to color picker and select black color, enable text tool. I'll keep the size as 22 points. Create new layer, 22 points, and I think the text size is a little bit bigger. I'm going to reduce the size by enabling free transform. Okay. Now I'm going to reduce the text opacity to 50%. Now create a duplicate copy of the text layer. Bring it down. Rename it as password. So our username password dialog box is ready. Next, we are going to create a login button. For that, go to the design folder, create a new layer, name this as login. Go to color picker, select the low color. Next, enable round rectangle tool. And create a login button like so. So I think the button looks a little bit smaller. Let me make it a little bit bigger. This one is good. So login button is ready. Next we're going to add text. Go to the text folder. Duplicate. I'll create a duplicate copy of the password text. I'll edit it as login. Bring the opacity to 100%. Next, I'm going to change the color to white. I think white is not visible, so let's keep it as black. Okay. You can use whatever color you want, not an issue. Make sure the text is visible. I'm going to increase the size. Okay, we are almost done. Next, we are going to create another copy of the text layer. Change the color to white and rename it as forgot password. I'll reduce the size a little bit. Adjust it and place it at the center. Okay. Next, we are going to create another copy of the text layer. Ctrl J. I use the shortcut I use now. Edit the text layer as okay. So our login screen is almost ready. As a final touch, we're going to add a small bar at the bottom. For that, go to the design folder, go to color pick and select white color, enable shapes tool, round rectangle tool, zoom in and create a small lines like so. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.